In the world of industrial safety, experience is everything. And now, thanks to AR, VR, and simulator-based training, experience comes without the risks. Technology is reshaping the way we prepare our workforce, transforming high-risk training into a safe, immersive, and incredibly effective learning experience. From construction sites to refineries, from power plants to heavy machinery operations, industries demand precision, skill, and above all, safety. Traditional training methods can only do so much. But now, simulation-based learning bridges the gap, offering hands-on practice in a controlled, risk-free environment. Imagine training for hazardous crane operations without stepping into a real crane. Imagine practicing confined space entry preparedness or familiarizing with the complete 11 kilovolt line feeder process, or getting complete understanding of the PTW process without real-world consequences. This is not the future. It's happening now. AR, VR, and simulation-based training allows trainees to make mistakes, learn from them, and perfect their skills before they ever step onto a real site. It enhances muscle memory, improves reaction time, and ensures safety protocols become second nature. At the core of this transformation are specialized training modules, each designed to replicate real-world scenarios in a controlled, repeatable way. From basic controls and maneuvering to advanced load handling, from emergency shutdown procedures to navigating complex job site challenges, these training modules prepare operators for the toughest conditions. The result? A workforce that is not just skilled, but safety conscious and job ready. The evolution of industrial training is here. AR, VR, and simulators are not just changing the way we train. They are saving lives, reducing downtime, and setting new benchmarks for safety. As industries grow, so do the risks. But with technology, we can ensure that safety is never compromised. The question is, are we ready to embrace this revolution?